looks like naturally, a little frizzy. Got no products whatsoever. So I'm gonna show you how to curl it quickly. It'll probably take 5 minutes. This is what I use. Oh, it's upside down. This is what I use. It says Cortex. It's a little old. This is really old. This was bought in 2008. So I don't know if it still exists. This is a 1.5 inch flat iron. It works really well. I still have it. My husband actually got this as his present. It was our anniversary present. And at the time, we barely have any money. And it just happens that he got a Christmas bonus that year from the company that he worked for. And it was the exact amount of what he got. So this was bought in 2008. And he bought it for $226. Yeah, I think he got like a $250 bonus that year. I know it's not a lot, but he decided to buy me this flat iron, which is still working years later, so I love it. And this is all I use to straighten my hair, to curl my hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is, I normally put my hair right in the center. So I'm going to show you a quick curl that I do on a daily basis. This one out. So I put my hair in the center. Cut this off the way. So take a little piece, not too thick. My hair is really thin, so.
So beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I'll say. If she'd let me, her laugh, she hates me, I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
So here's the finished product. I'm literally in my tub right now. Okay, so this is the curl that I absolutely love. I do this on a regular basis. I love it because, like, look how natural it looks. It doesn't look like you're trying too hard, you know? They're just simple, soft curls. So I love it. It's easy to do. It takes 5 minutes to do. And you don't need any products whatsoever. As I said before, I don't have anything in my hair right now. And yeah, and look how bouncy it is. It's bouncy and yeah, it's fun. So I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys try it and hope you learn something new. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Just the way